Hello everyone, welcome to MQ Tuition's Friday's Flash. Today we're gonna learn about plants and trees. When you think of plants, you usually think of greenery around your homes and the foods you eat. But the amazing world of plants consists of so much more. In fact, there are 3 lakh species that are currently known about, and people eat only 20,000 of them. According to the State World Plants report released by the Royal Botanic Gardens, every species is being discovered day by day. Interesting, right? So let's see some more interesting facts on plants and animals. Let's move on to the facts. Trees have underground communication and intracation system driven by fungal networks. Mother trees pass on information for the best growth patterns and can divert nutrients to the trees in need. They are more likely to give nutrients to the same species. A tribe in India that has passed down for generations the art of manipulating tree roots to create a system of living roots. Indonesian farmers introduce fish into their water-laden rice fields in a process called rice fish culture. The fish droppings acts as a fertilizer, while which they eat. Any insect and pest can improve oxygen circulation around the field, increase the rice yield up to 10%. Watermelon used to taste awful. The fruits, which are technically berries, originated in Africa, which they were only harvested during for their water content. At the time, they had a nasty bitter flavor, but centuries of selective breeding made them extra tasty. Avocados contains more fat than any other fruit or vegetable. Also, the trees contain enzymes that prevent the fruit from ripening on the tree, allowing the farmers to use the trees as storage devices up to 7 months after they reach their full maturity, allowing the avocados to be always in season. You know why eggplants are called as eggplants? Because they look typically like egg, from which they got their name. Skeleton flowers have such delicate petals that they become transparent when it rains. They are so delicate and feeble in nature. Black roses really exist in nature. Surprising, right? However, they only grow in one place, a small village in Turkey called Halfeti. They are only black during summer months. So guys, hope you enjoyed today's session of Friday Flash about interesting plants and trees. Catch you all with an interesting Friday Flash episode on the next